Hello there, this is Brett again doing a Lego review for the set 30359 Police Waterplane. It has 48 pieces and you can get this at your local Walmart section, in the toy section where the Legos are kept at, duh. But anyways, this is the minifigure. Not a bad print. And with her helmet off. No secondary printing on the face. Not bad. Not bad minifigure. Your standard helmet and visor. Nothing too fancy. Here's her plane. Nice little piece. Lot of good pieces with this. If you're going to build something else like a big mock or something like that, for the price of $3.99 at Walmart, wasn't too bad. I picked up a couple. Has a lot of playability of going with this. Has controls. The controller print on a 1x2 tile. But overall, it has handcuffs. A walkie-talkie. Not a bad little set for what you pay. $3.99 for this set. I got it at my local Walmart. But there you have it. There. Yep. Let's put that straight. Anyways, leave a like, comment. Yeah, leave a like. Hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions, comments, if you want a shout out, let me know. And I'll be more than happy to give you a shout out. Till then, take it easy. Bye.